guys, I just want to show you a little bit of the results for this week. This is the third day of second week, and I just want to show you a little bit. Actually, let me put this down a little bit. Okay, this is the bloating, and this is how it looks so far. As you see, it's all going down, and I just want to let you know, you see up here, if you start from the bottom of your breast, right, like right here, and this is the way I do it. This is the way, where my guideline. So if I go like this, exactly where it starts under the breast, and I count one, one, and I don't overlap. I try not to overlap. So one, two, with two fingers only, and three. That's as much as I could go down before I start the bloat. You see how it starts raising up in here? So before I only used to, before this diet, this fasting, I only could go twice. Okay, now I could go three times. And as you see right here, there's like a line and an indication that tells you. And this happened to me before when I try to lose weight, sorry. It will, the way I lose weight, probably a lot of people, or some people are different. Everybody's different. I'm not sure if everybody goes through the same thing, but I tend to like, it tends to pull down and I start getting this down belly, this lower belly here. So it starts pushing down. And especially me, or people like me that have a lot of bloating, you'll see that all that excess will go down. So there it goes. And look, this is, I always had abs, and I guess they're trying to show or something, like the little, not a six pack, but I used to work out so much before. But I don't know. You see how this is so extended out? So yeah, there we go. This is it. And just want you guys to see, I usually get my fat around here, my ass here, and my breast, of course, and the cheeks. So both cheeks, my butt cheeks and these cheeks. So you see, there you go. When I breathe in and breathe out, you'll see like a line right there. And then you'll see that line right here, and you see my belly button, the skin will go down, but then they'll stretch and it'll become normal again. That usually happens. So hopefully I won't get no loose skin. Some people, even with this much weight, which is not so much weight, will get loose skin, and some of them won't. I've been to this weight before, not as much as this, but a little bit closer, and I didn't get no loose skin. So, in my stomach, so, or near my belly button. So that's good. But then again, I can't expect the same because now I'm much older and everything's so different. Elasticity is so different. So I cannot say. I do not know what I'm going to expect. But as long as I lose excess weight, that's all that matters. I just want to be in a healthy weight. The rest, we'll deal with it afterwards. But so far, I think it's doing good and it's going to go well. When I had my pregnancies, I never got stretch marks. Well, that's a lie. It was just a little bit around here, but that's nothing, and under my thighs. And if anything, I got more cellulitis. You know what I mean? So, but yeah. And if you realize, I got, it feels like, or not feels like, but it looks like there's some cellulitis in the. I don't know if that's possible, but those little bumps, it feels like I have them in my stomach too. So that's it. And these are the results for the third day of the second week. God damn, of this fasting. Okay, so I'm doing intermittent fasting, and everything is just for health reasons. Yesterday night I did not get no rectum pain, but last night I did, but you know, not yesterday night. Okay, you watch the video and then you'll understand, okay? Because I got multiple videos popping up, and I will be explaining every day. I told you I was going to do this. Instead of going every week, end of the week, I'm just trying to document every day. Like that'll be easier, and you guys could get the real thing, the real feeling. And those who are going through the same thing are going through the journey at the same time that I'm going through. And I want you guys to know that you're not alone and that it's possible, and it's hard as fuck. Okay, I'm not gonna sit here and tell you it's easy when you have your mentality set in something and you're that type of person that, you know what I mean, you just like fuck it. There's people that just do it, but there's some people that just fall off, and some people that, while they could be 2 weeks away from meeting their goal and they still fall off. So it happens. We never know. So just for those, I'm here, and I hope you guys, are committed, because I'm committed, and these are the results, and I can't wait to see. Oh, by the way, when my boyfriend, he weighted me, I mean, he looked at the scale, I showed up 158. So in the other video, you're gonna see that I say it's 159, but now I say it's 158, and that was yesterday. So today I don't know what I am. Okay, so I gotta do that. So yeah, but remember, I'm trying not to wait every day. Every end of the week will be good. You know, that's more, I think, more healthier, and I don't know, for your mental health, I think is good. All right, so there you go. And let's see when I put my it's still a little bit tight. You still, I got that blow, and that's the thing that I could feel it like nice and comfortable here, and then when it comes down, it's like going down, and I try to zip my pants, it still feel blow. So most of y'all, as soon as you feel that or see that, you just want to give up, and you're like, oh my god, it's not working. But you know, if you have my type of body, which everybody's body is different and they lose weight different, you might realize that you feel good here, and then right here is all bloated. So you be like, oh my god, I'm not losing weight, nothing's happening. Yes, you are. Just let it happen. Let it go down. This is normal. This is gonna happen. Okay. Okay. Been there, done that, and we're gonna do it again. Let's lose all this excess fight. I mean, fat. Well, it is a fight. Anyways, it's a challenge. So let's do this, guys. You guys are not alone. And subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Like to this video if you like what you're seeing. And what else can I tell you? I have nothing more, but I'm just gonna do groceries, I think. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do right now. I don't know if I should head to work first and then tomorrow do grocery, or do groceries today. I still have groceries there. So, but I'm trying to do something, I'm trying to make something something special for this week. So I gotta, I'm making a good recipe for for the family, not for me because I'm in a diet. But like I said, everything has to keep going. Remember, this is not only a mental challenge, but it's also a real challenge when you're in the house, because even though I'm in a diet, my boyfriend's in a different diet. He's in a carnivore. I'm not. I'm more like in an intermittent fasting without me. So it looks like a vegan diet, but it's not. And then you got my kids that eat, they're in, everything's normal, everything's good with them. So I still gotta cook for them, so I still gotta make groceries. It's not easy, but like I tell you, you gotta set your mind to it. It's possible. And the worst thing is, that's why I say, if you're doing the oatmeal challenge, make sure you eat your oatmeal no matter how much you feel like you don't, because later on you're going to get hungry again. Don't let that trick you. Just eat your goddamn oatmeal. Because imagine if you have to do groceries and you come back with those groceries, you're going to want to binge. Okay, so we don't want to fall off the wagon this time. Okay, love you guys. Subscribe if you haven't again.